now we will discuss inverse of a matrix by elementary row operation. रो ऑपरेशन का यूज़ करते हुए हम किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स कैसे निकालेंगे ये हम आपको बता रहे हैं। लेट ए इज़ अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर एन। अगर हमारे पास ए कोई स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है एन ऑर्डर की, देन आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी वी स्टार्ट विद ए इज इक्वल टू आई इंटू ए। हम सबसे पहला काम ये करेंगे, हमारा जो पहला स्टेप होगा हम ए इज इक्वल टू आई इंटू ए से स्टार्ट करेंगे। आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स हमारी उसी ऑर्डर की होगी जिस ऑर्डर का ए मैट्रिक्स होगा। नाउ वी कम ऑन स्टेप टू। आवर स्टेप टू विल बी नाउ वी अप्लाई अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ रो ऑपरेशन। रो ऑपरेशंस हमारे वही होंगे जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में आपको बताए थे। आर आई इंटरचेंज विद आर जे, आर आई इज रिप्लेस्ड बाई आर आई इंटू के, या आर आई इज रिप्लेस्ड बाई के आर आई, या आर आई इज रिप्लेस्ड बाई आर आई प्लस के आर जे। When we apply a sequence of row operation, we get I is equal to B into A. We starts with A is equal to I into A. Here we see that I is equal to B into A. Here new matrix will be formed, that is matrix B. And this matrix B will be the inverse of A. जो यहाँ पे नई matrix B बनेगी वही A matrix का inverse होगी और हम उसको लिखेंगे mathematically A inverse is equal to B. Similarly, if we find the inverse of a matrix using column operations, then we starts with A is equal to A into I and we apply a sequence of column operation till we get I is equal to A into B. Similarly, here B will be also the inverse of A. So the process will be the same whether we are using row operation or the column operation. लेकिन इसमें ध्यान रखने वाली बात यह है कि आप जब क्वेश्चंस को लगाएंगे इस मेथड से तो शुरू से लेकर लास्ट तक या तो रो ऑपरेशन लगाएंगे या तो कॉलम ऑपरेशन लगाएंगे। ऐसा नहीं करना है कि एक स्टेप में रो ऑपरेशन फिर आपको कॉलम ऑपरेशन लगाना है। यू आर स्टार्टिंग आइदर विद रो ऑपरेशन एंड फिनिश विद रो ऑपरेशन, एंड इफ यू स्टार्ट विद कॉलम ऑपरेशन देन ऑल्सो फिनिश विद कॉलम ऑपरेशन। Students, we have taken a problem. Find the inverse of a matrix A is equal to, this is 2 by 2 order matrix, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 6 by using elementary operation. इस स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स A का जो कि 2 by 2 ऑर्डर की है इसका इन्वर्स निकालना है एलिमेंट्री ऑपरेशन का यूज करते हुए। सो वी स्टार्ट्स, आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप इज A is equal to I into A matrix 1 minus 2, 2 minus 6. Here I matrix will be of the same order of matrix A, that is 1 0 0 1. Now we apply a sequence of row operation to get I is equal to B into A. So first of all we apply here R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. This operation will be applied on both the side, LHS and also in RHS on the matrices of order 2 by 2. First row will be same 1 minus 2, R2 minus 2 R1 if we apply on second row, then 2 minus 2 here will be 0, minus 6 plus 4 that is minus 2, 1 0, 0 minus 2 that is minus 2, 1 minus 0 that is 1 A. Now we apply R1 tends to R1 minus R2. There will be change in the first row of both the matrices on LHS and RHS. Here the first row will be 1 0 0 minus 2, and in RHS side 1 plus 2 that is 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 A. Now we use the elementary operation R2 replaced by minus 1 by 2 R2. Then first row will be 1 0, second row will be 0 1, and here in RHS 3 minus 1, this is 1 minus 1 by 2 into A. This is in the form I is equal to B into A. So B is the inverse of A, therefore A inverse will be 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1 by 2. Now we take another problem. By using elementary operation, find the inverse of the matrix A is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 4 2. A is a square matrix of order 2 by 2. So we starts with A is equal to I into A. A is the matrix 3 minus 1 minus 4 2. I is the identity matrix of the same order 2 1 0 0 1. A. Now we apply R1 tends to R1 plus R2. This operation will be applied on both the sides, LHS and RHS. So this matrix, the first row element will be changed and it will be minus 1 1 minus 4 2, and here on RHS 1 1 0 1 into A. Now we apply R1 tends to minus 1 into R1. Then the element of first row will be 1 minus 1 minus 4 2. Here on RHS minus 1 0 1 into A. Now we apply R2 tends to R2 plus 4R1. Now the element of second row on LHS and RHS will be changed. That is 1 minus 1 minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. And here 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 into A. Now we apply R2 tends to minus 1 by 2 R2. Then 1 minus 1 0 1. Here on RHS minus 1 2 3 by 2 into A. Now we apply R1 tends to R1 plus R2. Then we get 1 plus 0, that is 1, minus 1 plus 1 0 0 1. Here on RHS minus 1 plus 2, that is 1, minus 1 plus 3 by 2, minus 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 1 by 2, 2 3 by 2 into A. So this matrix is identity and here is in the form B into A. So B matrix is the inverse of A, and we write here we have got I is equal to B into A. At last, this is the form I is equal to B into A, and here the new matrix that is obtained is the inverse of A. Here the B matrix is 1 1 by 2 2 3 by 2. So A inverse is equal to B, and B matrix is 1 1 by 2 2 3 by 2. The order of 3 by 3 square matrix will be also solved in the same way, either by applying row operation or by column operation, but one thing should be remember that the question will be solved either by the row operation from top to bottom or column operation from top to bottom. अभी एक चीज और, students, one thing should be remember that if on applying one or more elementary row or column operation on A, we obtain all zeros in one or more rows, then we say that A inverse does not exist.